Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today I'm going to make some snacks that I like. They're not sweet snacks. My top snack, if you haven't watched the video, is the candied pecans. But these are on top of my list also. So I'm going to make some ham and pepperoni roll-ups. And I'm going to make a guacamole, avocado ranch dip to put in the middle to roll them up around. So I'm going to put my ham and my pepperoni in the oven at 400 for just a few minutes. I want to get it a little bit toasted, but not hard enough so it doesn't roll up. So while my ham and pepperoni's in the oven, I'm going to take a half an avocado, and this is just a small one. You can put more avocado, more sour cream, more cream cheese to your liking once you make this though. And I just use it a lot of times just with dip with my crackers. So I have the tortilla crackers that I'll use as the snack dip, or the Cheez-It rectangle crackers that I use. And the cracker recipe's also on one of the videos. So to the half of avocado, I'm going to go ahead and kind of start mashing it up before I add anything, just to try to go ahead and get some of the lumpiness out. I'm going to add a half a block of softened cream cheese. And you can put this in a food processor, chopper, blender. I don't mind mine being lumpy. And instead of dip, I also use this to spread like mayonnaise on my sandwiches. And I use the Philadelphia cream cheese. It seems to have lower carbs. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Again, watch the label on your sour cream. Some sour cream tends to have more carbs than others. And then the last ingredient that I'm going to mix in is the dry Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. I'm going to put a half a pack of that. You may not want a half a pack. You may want to lessen it a little, but I like it to be seasoned well, so I'm going to use a half a pack. Okay, I've taken my ham and pepperoni out, and it's still pliable. I like to use the Applegate for both of them. They have less antibiotics, and they're uncured, which I like because the uncured tends to have less carbs. So I have my mixture, and like I say, I use this on my hamburgers. I use it on my sandwich wraps. It's delicious, or I just use it as a dip with the crackers. So all I'm going to do is just spread some on. As much or as little as you like. And when you put it back in the refrigerator, because of the cream cheese, it will get a little bit harder and it will stick together. I'm going to fold them over into little wedges. But these are some of my favorite go-to fat protein snacks. So here they are. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to cool. These are wonderful just to take out for a snack. If I'm having a salad, one day at lunch I'll take one of each of these just to have for a snack or to eat with the salad. And then here's the rest of the dip that I will eat with these cheese crackers just as chips and dip. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I would love for you to subscribe and follow my journey on keto.